This video tutorial I will explain how to create the collection in the database. Here you can see the syntax of create collection. First we have to select the DB, then we have to execute this command. And it accepts two parameters. The first one is name, which is the name of the collection. And the second parameter is options, which is optional field. If you want to specify, we can specify. Otherwise, we can leave it. We will see the example now. First, I am selecting DB as employee DB. So the current DB is employee DB. In employee DB, I am going to create the collection. Collection name is employee. Here you can see the collection is created successfully. We can check using show collections command. And here you can see the collection name is employee, and that is created. Next we will create one more collection called city, and this collection I am going to create directly without using create collection syntax. And here you can see db.city. City is the collection name, and in that collection I am inserting one record, and it is successfully created. And we can double check using show collections command. And here you can see there are two collections are there. The city collection also created. If you want to create the collection using Studio 3T client, then select the employee DB. Inside that you can see the collections. Right click, click on add collection, and here we have to provide the collection name. I am giving employee. Click on create, and here you can see the collection employee is created. Here you can see the syntax of create collection. In that second parameter is options, which is optional field. Here you can see the list of options. The first one is capped. The type is boolean, and if it is true, it enables the capped collection. Capped collection is nothing but it is a fixed size collection that automatically overwrites its oldest entries when it reaches its maximum size. If you specify true, then you need to specify size parameter also. Here you can see the size field. The type is number, which specifies a maximum size in bytes for a capped collection. And one more field called max, and the type is number, and it specifies the maximum number of documents allowed in the capped collection. And next field is auto index ID. The type is boolean, and if it is true, automatically creates index on underscore ID field, and by default this field value is false. And while inserting the document, MongoDB first checks the size field of the capped collection, then it checks the max field of the capped collection. Now we will see the example of how to create the capped collection. And I am using employee DB, and current DB is employee DB, and in employee DB there is no collection. Now I am going to create employee collection, which is capped collection. db.create collection, name of the collection is employee, and capped is true, so the collection is capped collection. Auto index ID is true, and size I have specified in bytes, and maximum number of document is 10,000. And here you can see it is successfully created. We can double check using show collections command, and here you can see the employee collection is created. Now we will create a capped employee collection using Studio 3T client. Select the employee DB database. Inside you can see the collections. right click, add collection. Collection name is employee, and click on this to create a capped collection. Maximum size in bytes, enter this value, and maximum number of documents 10,000, and auto index ID is checked. Click on create. This will create the employee collection, which is capped collection. And here you can see the capped collection is created. You can get Java source code link from the description of the video. In mobile, to see the description, click on this icon. It will expand like this, and here you can see the description. It contains Java source code links. Click on these links to get the Java source code.